Charlie has a prototype put on this thing.
An absolute blast to drive.
Mr. Duramax himself.
Really that technology everybody's looking for. Oh my gosh. Next gear, next gear, next gear.
What's going on, guys? I'm here with my best friend, Mr. Duramax himself, in his 6M Powerstroke. This thing's awesome.
Here's the famous 2011 we always talk about with the 24HO motor. It's just the high output option from Ford. Pistons, rods, it's got a fully forged rotating assembly. So got a new turbo, not exactly sure what Charlie's got on there. Charlie's been putting it to the test for the last year and she's still together. So right now it's at 1,429 foot-pounds of torque. Drivability is like stock though.
Alex is with Precision Diesel Works. Go check him out, precisiondieselworks.com, or he's got a shop in Platte City, Missouri.
Yep.
If you guys need some local work in the Midwest, hit him up. He does great work. I was just out there. We were hanging out. We're gonna go take a ride with Alex. Charlie has a prototype put on this thing, something we're gonna be releasing soonish, in like 6 months or a year, I'm not quite sure. That's a lot different from what we normally have. It's gonna drive a lot closer to an 11 to 14 turbo,
yeah,
you would say?
SST, stock. What this bad boy came with stock, but it makes the big power on the top end. An absolute blast to drive.
Let's take it for a spin. It's doing pretty good.
6 years old.
5, but yeah, 6.
6.
That would never happen in Arizona, and that's why it's about dead.
Rusty.
Yeah.
Alex, first impressions, what do you think?
Again, it's
I know
great.
it spools fast. It's like, whoa, already making boost.
Yeah, right here, 30 miles an hour, 10 pounds. You know, just the drivability of it, again, it's just nice and stock and snappy.
So give us a quick rundown on this truck. You told me this was your last truck.
Those first 6, 7, I always kind of, well, I had a white and gold 6.0 King Ranch dually that got messed with, but everybody always wants a 6.7, and this is one I got, and I always had a picture in my mind. Wanted a ranch hand, I wanted the white and gold.
Yep.
So this truck is just
Peepaw truck.
Exactly, yeah, Grandpa. Exactly what I wanted.
So
I did it and just drove the heck out of it and took care of it. I mean, now I got it with 97,000 miles. What are we at? 243,000 on
That's pretty good.
on the body. The early 11 motor gave out at 234. Lost something in the bottom end. I still never tore it apart.
Doing the 24 steel piston motor swaps was starting to be a thing. It seems like you were one of the first guys I heard about online to figure it out and like get it to run perfect right off the bat.
Right.
How long did that take you to swap this motor?
I started it on the 13th, I think, of September, and September 17th, I was on my way to Florida towing a trailer with it. So not long at all.
Yeah.
I did have a little cam sensor signal issue, but
Got that all figured out?
got that nipped in the bud, and it's been good ever since. And then drove it out here and left it. Here through town, you know, you can see the acceleration and the boost. There's 10 pounds at 14, and it just accelerates, doesn't smoke, just does what it's supposed to do. It just feels lively. You know, I've had, this is what, 3rd or 4th KC turbo on here. Like the first one years ago, the Whistler prototype made great top end power, but it was just anything under 2,000 RPM. You were just
dogging
waiting for it. You know, you almost had to drive 80 miles an hour or else you were out of that power band. And tuning played a big factor in getting it to spool. I mean, just lots of things did, but this new turbo is just really making this thing. The idea obviously was to have that early model 11 through 14 spool, but carry the big power through
actually
it.
Be able to make a power like a Whistler turbo.
And Charlie hit the head on the nail there. I mean, this thing is, you really got to think twice before you mash down because you're going. It's just disorienting because you expect, you know, I was getting on the highway the other day and I was expecting the lag and it just went. And I was like, oh boy. I drive generally, if I'm not romping on it, I'm an engine lugger, as Charlie says, and and I can do that again now versus before. You had to have the raised shift points, you had to really work with the turbo to get it to spool and drive.
Yeah.
It's just the best of both worlds. It's really that technology everybody's looking for. And,
Definitely does.
you know, and I think we're talking, this is what, 670 horse and like 1429 to the tires. So it is substantial power, clean. Everything's happy, maximized, and working great.
And it sounds pretty good
Yeah,
too.
it sounds good too.
Man, give her some action.
Let her.
Good gravy, just bouncing off traction control. Jesus, it's fast. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh shit.
We do have Brembo brakes on here because you can't go fast without
You
slowing
gotta be able
down.
to stop. Jeez, certified sleeper, dude.
Yeah, here, we'll just do a boost pull.
Just lock her into what, fifth, sixth gear?
There's 40.
Good Lord, this thing just pulls, dude.
1200 EGT.
Oh, dude. That was seriously impressive.
I love it. It's, you know, we talk about it's self-control to just drive it normal.
Yeah.
If anybody comes up on you going a little quick, you're like, are we going or what? It's 111 degrees out, which
It's a little toasty.
really does not help turbos
No.
light up and spool. And again, this thing just it's ready to go. Yeah, the other night I was going under a bridge at 50 and I just wanted to zip into it and make some noise on the bridge. I'm a child, and it, you know, the boost came on and went and I let off. I was like, that was not my intention. If you just whack it, it just
roasted tire. Woo! Yeah, she could spin them pretty good.
yeah, it'll make your tires not last this long.
Oh, there's
We're in
four-wheel
four.
drive.
Here we
Yikes,
go.
Here we go. Is everyone ready? Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
I could actually feel it towards steering.
Oh my gosh, this thing makes a lot of power. Lord, man.
Next gear, next gear.
All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Go check out PrecisionDieselWorks.com. Go buy your case turbos from him. Buy them from us. CaseTurbos.com. Subscribe now.
Get one.
Get one. You guys need it. This is what you need. If you want your truck to drive like this, to
Need
tow
it.
like this, make boosts like this, go check it out now. CaseTurbos.com. Check it out. We'll see you guys next time.